name is Jerry Garcia, and I'm here to teach you how to backside flip.
Don't give away your information like that.
Alright. Two first tricks you gotta learn is kick flip, backside when you. That's it. You can't do that thing. Flick the front. Foot position. You got right here. I suggest you turn your board around. Use your nose. It's a little more comfortable and steady when you learn how to do this trick. Foot position. Same kick foot position as you're always comfortable with. But I suggest you turn your board a little sideways when you're barely learning this trick. And then use your shoulders to really like pinpoint where you're going. So like for example, I'll show you right here. Now you just wind up your shoulders and your head and just kind of that. See? Boom. Bam. If you're goofy, here you go. So if you're goofy, same thing applies. No, same thing. Nah, the same thing applies if you're goofy. Just put 2 to 2 together and you get backside flip. With this trick, just keep practicing. I think the most important would be the rotation, because just try to make sure you get a good pop, a good flip, a good flick, and then you got yourself a backside flip. And once you get the hang of this trick, you can do all sorts of shit over it, off stuff, to impress your friends.
¿Hacer aquello qué? I'm exhausted, man. I'm exhausted.